Pre-intermediate 12. The role of art in society. Art has been a part of human civilization for thousands of years, from ancient cave paintings to modern digital installations. Some people believe that art is just a luxury or a form of decoration, but its role in society is actually much more profound. Art provides a way for people to express complex emotions and ideas that words often cannot describe. It can challenge our perspectives and encourage us to think deeply about social and political issues. For example, a powerful photograph or a documentary film can raise awareness about poverty or injustice in a way that statistics cannot. Furthermore, art has a significant impact on our mental well-being and happiness. Visiting a gallery or listening to a beautiful symphony can provide a sense of peace and inspiration. In many cities, public art such as murals and sculptures help to create a unique identity and make the environment more beautiful. Art also fosters creativity, which is an essential skill in the modern workforce. By encouraging people to think outside the box, art helps to drive innovation in science and technology. In conclusion, art is not just something to be looked at. It's a vital tool for communication, education, and social change. It reflects the beauty and the struggle of the human experience.